So guys, welcome back to this module. So like I said, for every section we complete, we'll be doing like a project, a mini project for each, just to see what we've been able to learn. So now we've come to this section. Now I want to do this. I want to see how far we've learned. So just pause the video now and see if you'll be able to do this without watching the tutorial. So but without further ado, let me give this solution to you. But you can pause the video. I'm sure if you'll be able to grab the image section of it, as we learned the previous tutorial, you'll be able to do this without having any issue. So just pause the video now while I do the solution. So this is H1 from A to Zucchini. So that's for the H1 tag. So we want to add our image, so we use the figure, we put it inside the figure. So we put the image here. So we locate our images slash web.jpg. we give it the width as 350, we give the height, that's 250. So that's that for that. So we want to give this caption right over the recipe for individual. So what we just have to do is to come right over here, we put in the fake caption. So inside we type the recipe for individual cakes is so simple and so delicable. So exclamation. So we move to the next one. We have more recipes, so we can just use like H2 for that. H2, type in more recipe and we put this dots. So after that we include our images again. So let's just say images slash web.jpg. So include the width, so 100. So web 1, we've used web already, web 1, 100. The height, you put 100. So let's just go to our Chrome so that we can see what we have. Ctrl S. So you can see what we have currently. So let's add another images slash web 2. So just add width 100, come here, add height, put 100, save. And you can see the second image come out again. We'll put the img tag again, images slash web 3. So just have to go online and look for images for your site. So you can follow those image I recommend, those sites I recommend for you to get images from. You can go to Pixels. I got this from Pixels. So just look for the one that will fit it and then you have it. So you can see what we have here from it is there is Zucchini, and we have this is the fake caption, and we have this right over here. So we can just make this one a little smaller, a little. Okay, that's too small. Let's say H3, Ctrl S. So you can see this is okay now. So compare what we have now. Are they not looking the same? So that's how we've been able to achieve it. So I hope you are able to create yours also. So that'll be all for this tutorial. See you in the next video.